fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Monopoly Go account to Facebook. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen, which will bring up a menu. And on the menu, you can see an option called Connect with the Facebook logo on the side of it. Click on the button first. Now click on Confirm. Wait for this to load. Now do it once again, because for some reason it takes twice to do it. So as you can see, now I've connected my Facebook account. To check it, I'm going to show it to you. I'll go to Settings, Manage Account. As you can see, there's a button called Disconnect on the Facebook logo right now. That means I'm connected to my Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!